Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Ako si Aaron John Lumabang. Ito ang aking daily devotion para sa araw na ito. Ito po yung nakabati po sa video series ni Pastor Rasul Akapan na 365 daily devotion. At ang paksa para sa araw na ito na tatalakayin natin ay visionary model, no? So, scripture po natin, Genesis 12, 1-2. The Lord has said to Abram, "Go from your country and your people and your father's house to the land I will show you. I will make you into a great nation." So, tignan natin yung mga katuturan mo. Visionaries are role models for their family. So, makita natin yung importante sa mga pinag-usapan natin, you need vision for direction, you need vision for many things, for inspiration, for motivation. And madalas, visionaries are role models for your family dahil sila ang dapat nakakita ng ano yung gusto mong matungtong, ano gusto mong magiging daan, magiging resulta after some time. So, sila yung mag-upload ng vision or silang role model for the family dahil sila rin yung nagpapakita ng ano nila yung gustong makita sa family or ano yung gusto nilang marating ng family. Kumaga, so good values, many things, naintindihan ko. So, that vision must come from God. So, many visions talaga nangyayari sa atin. So, many vision, yung mga ambition, yung mga plans natin in the future. So, vision must come from God. Dahil madalas yung naging vision natin, akala natin na it is a message from God or ginagawa nating ginagawa nating pinaka-goal. Pero in truth, it is very selfish in desire, no? It is our desire, not God's desire. Malalaman natin yan, depende kung parang full of money, full of riches, makakain ng masasarap na pagkain. The visions that you imagine for the family in the future, do you think it is according to God's will? Parang ganun. So, now vision must focus on internal values. Yung madalas na nangyayari kasi is, yung values na pinag-iisipan ng mga tao is yung value na parang basta kumain na tatlong beses, yun na yung value na binibigay na sa family. Yun na yung plan nila. That moving on forward with their family. And hindi ito tama. Sense na parang hanggang doon na lang basta makakain na maayos. Dapat yung nangyari ay hindi lang nakakain na maayos, kundi mayroon silang nakakuha value, godly values, eternal values na nare-represent nila. Hindi lang sa pagkain, kundi hindi lang, maganda rin naman yung value na kumakakain sila ng araw-araw, a certain abundance or sufficiency. Pero maganda pa rin yung mayroon nabibigay na values o behavior, kaugalian na bibigay sa mga anak na kung saan they were able to benefit throughout their entire life. A mindset hanggang sa eternal values that God has saved them, has given them a chance for salvation. Madaming values na pwedeng maturo from the Bible. So yun lamang, salamat sa pakikinig at mabuhay.